today with Fire Chief Paul Muka, and we're looking at the new engine that was given to Roselle Fire Department, Engine 1. Chief, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, this is our brand new engine that we just took delivery of. It's a 2016 Spartan pumper. This is replacing our old Engine 1, which was a 1991 KME. It served its purpose well for the borough of Roselle for the past 25 years. It was time to upgrade. Luckily, the town supported public safety and our initiative to replace that engine. We should have this serving the public for the next 25 years. It's a 1,500 gallon per minute pump. As you can see, it meets all of the NFPA specifications. The guys really like it. As I said, it'll serve this community proud, hopefully for the next 25 plus years.
Thank you, Chief.